The Recipients tab is your central hub for managing exactly where your alias traffic is directed. From here, you can manage recipients, monitor how many aliases are assigned to each user, and manage your active routing list. Adding a new recipient only takes a second. Just hit the Add Recipient button and enter their email address. This triggers an automated verification request to that inbox to prove that you have control of that inbox. The verification link remains active for 1 hour. If that window closes before the recipient can authorize the address, you can shoot over a fresh link by selecting Resend Email from your list. You can see exactly how many aliases are mapped to each recipient, which helps you to keep an eye on your mail volume. You can also track verification statuses in real time, so you always know who's live and who's still pending. We'll dive into aliases in the next video. You also have full control to edit or delete recipients as your team changes, ensuring your routing is always up to date. Now you're all set. You're ready to manage your team's email privacy with confidence.